Okay, so in yesterday's video, I showed you how to get free money in Coinbase. It was about $34 US, and then we converted that money into XRP. As you can see, this is why I wanted to convert it into XRP. Now, unfortunately, what has happened is, if we go over to the Coinbase here, you can see the portfolio I'm into, and we are 100% into XRP. I would have liked to stay in this, however we're forced to convert this to a different asset, as we'll click on XRP, go to the overview, and you can see that the SEC has filed a lawsuit against Ripple. So because of this issue, we are no longer able to buy and sell XRP or even convert it starting January 19th, so that's tomorrow. So today we're going to get out of XRP. It's going to be taken off the watch list. There will be no more buying and selling in Coinbase for XRP. So I wanted to be able to get out of it and convert it to a different asset before I'm forced to transfer it into my bank account and then put the money back into Coinbase. All that's going to do is waste fees. So let's go back to where we're going to put this XRP money. I've gone through the pairs and I'm on the weekly right now. So the best bet is going to be BCH USD. And if we drop down to the daily, you can see this asset is a little bit above where I would like to be entering it at, and even I would have liked it down lower here, but since we're forced to get out of XRP, this one I feel is the next best one to put it at, and then we'll go from there. When I start getting alerts, I'll transfer it to other assets that may be at better support levels. So go back into Coinbase. All I'm going to do here, I'm in prices, I'm going to go into the convert. If you don't see this area here, you can simply go up into the buy and sell and convert it this way from XRP, and we're going to convert it to BCH. We're going to hit convert all and just click on convert now. Get out of this, so we'll go back to the portfolio here, and now you can see that it is over 100% at BCH now. There is no more XRP, so we'll go home here and we'll just turn this into a list, and we're going to unclick this star and get rid of that XRP so that I no longer have the need to look at it. So that's it. We've converted into BCH USD, and we're just going to let it do its thing now and get rid of XRP completely, even from the watch list here. So okay, I hope this helps you guys, and if you haven't watched the video on getting that free money from Coinbase, I will put a link at the end of this video right now. Talk to you guys later.